Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Nokia C20. We have a device which has Android 11, it's the Go edition. We have a battery of 3000 milliamperes and a big display of 6.5 inches. Also, we have 2 years of security updates on this device. Now, as you can see, this phone has a normal camera, not something very special, but the main feature of this phone is that it has a big display, it's cheap, and it has an overall good performance. Now, inside of the box, we will get the charger, which is type A on this side, and the charger is micro USB. So this phone won't get any fast charging. The main thing on this phone is the display. Now, this phone is very good to watch YouTube, and considering that it has Android Go, it has a very good performance for the chipset that this phone has. And as you can see, this phone has a Unisoc 1.6 GHz processor, and it also has 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. Now, I want to say that this phone, it's a bad phone and it will lag, but considering its price, it's better than the Samsung Galaxy A02 and some devices that are in this price range. Now, I will open this game for you just to show you that this phone has a nice performance. Of course, it's not a gaming phone, it's a phone to watch YouTube, but for small games, it's very good. Now let's go on YouTube and test the speaker. This phone has only one speaker and it's here in the back of the phone. Now, considering it has a 720p display, it's a nice display if we go on full brightness, and we get some nice viewing angles. Now, this is the camera app, nothing too fancy here. Video resolution on this phone, it goes up to 1080p with 30 frames per second. And the video resolution on the front camera is also 1080p. We can shoot a time lapse or just a simple photo or a panorama. Now, this phone, it's a good phone for its price. This phone is cheap, it will cost you around 100 euros. Some other phones in this price range are the Xiaomi 9A or the Samsung Galaxy A02, which are phones with big displays and cheap, but so far this is a good phone. If you can manage to find this phone locally, I recommend you get it. This phone, it's not for everyone. This phone is for old people that want to watch YouTube all day, or just want to scroll through social networks, or just play some small game like Candy Crush or something like that. Or you just want to buy this phone for a kid, and for a kid this is a nice phone to start with. And with that being said, I want to thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.